Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this great little 108 top in the active specification. So this car comes with a retractable fabric roof. You get a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Bluetooth connectivity. You get air conditioning. The car comes with 1 year's warranty and is free to tax. So let's have a look around. So this car has a full service history, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.